Hello, I'm Ching Wang, Chief Medical Officer for Sunset Community Health Center. In all levels, it changed the life in different ways that we don't expect on it. It affected the way that we interacted with families, friends, with the day-to-day activities of the house, groceries, outings, activities. Even going out to eat, it changes, everything on it. It changes, the way that, we see our patients on that, keep social distancing, make sure that we are wearing, the proper PPEs to keep everyone safe, the patients and our employees as well. Also, the way that we think about, the patient's conditions, the way we disinfect the clinic on that, and also, the way that we have to try to assist the patients that they are sick or they cannot come in, or, they're afraid to come in on that. So we try to do a little bit more outreach on that aspect on it. And also, the way that, we do have to about the conditions, what priorities they are, keep a social distance even within the workplace on that. So it did affect everything on that as well. Even though, we've been, to 9 months of the pandemic, we should not let our guards down. We still needed to mask up, keep our social distancing on that, make sure, we disinfect, and provide, have the proper hand hygiene on that. And if you're being exposed to someone who you suspect to have COVID, or you have any symptoms, make sure you get yourself tested, talk to your healthcare provider on that, quarantine or isolate yourself on that. Make sure you perform all the precautions to avoid the spread of the disease. The vaccine is, it's pretty safe. I know that people is afraid it is not FDA approved. It's a grant for emergency use authorization on it, but has been, developed through a technology has been, around for years on that. Does not cause any COVID at all. It's 94 to 9% efficacious on that. It will prevent the people to develop more severe COVID, symptoms on that. And the side effects are, expected, like, any medications, any vaccines that people will take on, they're not more serious than the other medications or vaccines either. Most of the side effects are mild if you have some, and the severe, conditions are not very, common either on that. So it's strongly recommended everyone to get vaccinated against the COVID on that, because it will really help the global pandemic on that.